Hi friends, welcome to my video log. In this video log, I'm going to explain to you how to use the LG Magic Remote. The LG Magic Remote comes with the LG range of LED televisions. So let us learn how to use this. Now let us understand the different types of button this remote has got. On the top you can find the power buttons. One button on the left hand side to switch on and switch off the television, on the right hand side to switch on and switch off the set-top box. This remote works as a universal remote as well. Over here you can find a small hole which is for the mic. These are the number keys or the number buttons. It contains additional two buttons which I will explain to you later. This plus and minus button are used to increase or decrease the volume. On the right hand side you can find the up arrow and down arrow to change the channels. This is the mute button, and this button is used for voice recognition system, which means if you press this button, the voice recognition app opens up. This is the home button to open the LG Home tab. This is the settings button. These are the arrow keys to navigate up, down, left and right. It also consists of a scroll wheel which can be used to scroll up and scroll down. It also consists of a button. Here you can find the back button to go back to the previous step. This is the guide button to open the guide of the set-top box or the TV channel. Here you can find some dedicated buttons for the TV stream app such as Netflix, Prime Video, as well as one more generic dedicated key. This one opens up the ZEE5 app in India. Here you can see the play button and the pause button, and these are the color keys which is used for additional input while using any of the streaming apps or the app. And this is the input source selection button. So this is what the various kinds of button this remote has got. Now I will show you how to set up the Magic Remote for the first time when you buy the television or when you want to install the Magic Remote to the TV. You have to long press the scroll button for at least 10 seconds and you will get a message registering new remote, and you will get a message of successful registration. So once you get this message, the Magic Remote is ready to operate or use. I will show you the feature of the quick accessing your favorite channels or the apps. You have to long press the 0 button for at least 5 seconds to set up the quick access. Here you get a window to edit the quick access. You can program up to 9 channels for accessing quickly. In my TV, I have set up 1 as YouTube, 2 as LG Content Store, 3 as Hotstar, so on and so forth. I will show you how to add some app to number 5 key. So navigate to the number 5 key and press the scroll button. Now you get one more dialog box or the window. Here you select whichever you want. I will select Amazon Prime Video. Now you can see for 5 number button, Amazon Prime Video has been successfully set. To open up the Amazon Prime now, just long press 5 for 2 seconds. It will open Amazon Prime Video. This list button is used to open up the program guide if you have connected a set-top box. Since I have not connected any set-top box, so my program guide is empty. Now I'll show you how to use the voice recognition button, which is very helpful. So click and hold the voice recognition button and speak. Cricket.
The YouTube video found for the keyword cricket.
Here is the list of search results from the YouTube itself. Suppose you use the voice recognition button in the device standby mode. we will get the search results from the internet, from the YouTube, as well as other installed streaming apps. I'll show you how to use it. Cricket.
The search results for cricket will be displayed.
Here you can see you got a set of results from the YouTube. Similarly, you can get results from the other installed streaming apps, and you can also get the results from the web. I'll click on the web now to show you. Here we are getting the results in the browser. This button with the 3 dots is used to set up the audio description as well as additional options. Let me show you. Here you can open up the user guide. If you click on the info, it will display the information of the current program. The next option is used to set the video resolution. The Magic Remote comes with a cursor. As you move the remote, you can find the cursor moving on the screen. So this is very easy to operate and select. Now I will show you one instance or an example of using the color buttons. I'm in the YouTube app. If you can see over here, it is showing you yellow for search. Now I'll click on the yellow button in my Magic Remote. It will initiate or it will open up the voice search. So if you click on the yellow, it means that it will open quickly the voice search. Likewise, these color buttons are used. This home button is used to select the apps you have installed. Click on the home button. Here you get the list of icons in which you can choose and select. So now I will select YouTube. This settings button is used to set the various settings of the device such as audio, video, network and other device related settings. You can click over here for all the settings. Friends, finally I am going to show you how to use this input source selection button. So if you click on the input source selection button, you can select the input for your TV. Since I have not connected to any set-top box, I am directly using the internet and streaming the videos. I don't have any of the list of inputs. You can select the home dashboard also. If you open the home dashboard, you can again select whichever inputs you want. Also shows you the list of devices connected to this TV. Alright friends, I hope this video was informative. This is Chandrajit signing off. Thank you.